If you're in a hurry but want a hearty meal, a Southern Appalachian favorite is a sausage and fried egg sandwich. Delicious every single time. So let's make one. On a cool Appalachian morning, the warmth from the wood heat is like no other. You get to enjoy the smoke coming from the chimney. And you know what that means, time for breakfast. So I like to cook my sausage in an iron skillet. You actually get a nice sear on the sausage. And I like my sausage patties crispy. So to make this sandwich, I'm going to use my cast iron skillet. You want to get your sausage crispy on both sides with a hard sear. Once your sausage is cooked, then you also fry your egg in the same skillet using the sausage grease. Next up, you want to toast your bread. I like to toast it and then add the mayonnaise on both sides of the bread. That way each bite is perfect. Then I add my sausage patty to the bread, followed by the fried egg. You can also add a slice of cheese if you would like. But here I'm going to salt and pepper to taste. And there you have a delicious sandwich. After you have seasoned, all you need to do is simply place the top on the bottom and enjoy. I will guarantee you that you will want 2 of these delicious sausage and fried egg sandwiches. Get your hearty breakfast right here. As you can see, there's a little sleet and gravel falling, but there is nothing really to accumulate, as it is simply melting on contact. That is the Appalachian winters for you.